I'm Tammy Brawley with The Green Kitchen. We're here with Virginia Heart of the Home at Meadow Event Park. And today I want to talk about one of my favorite things to do, and that is eating in season. Right now in these cold weather temperatures, we love to do roasted root vegetables, and what I've got for you is a selection. These are Virginia grown, I'm very happy to say. Some came from Old Tavern Farm, some came from Tom 10 out in Old Bay. And what I've got here is I have got some turnips, I've got rutabagas, parsnips, and I've got some carrots, and I've got some fresh rosemary. I don't feel like I have enough carrots in this batch, so I'm going to go ahead and snag one from my display here. Delicious organic carrots. We'll cut the core off. The thing about roasting, or really any cooking, not just roasting, you always want to cut about the same size vegetables, no matter what. If you start to cut too small, then your smaller ones are going to disappear. You're not going to see them or be able to eat them. But if you want to cut in the bigger sizes, they will cook at about the same time. Really important to do. So I've got a beautiful orange carrot here. I'm going to toss that in with these vegetables, with the turnips and the rutabagas, parsnips. If you've never tried a parsnip, you really should. It looks like a carrot, but white, but tastes nothing like a carrot. Really very savory flavor. I love parsnips. And rutabagas, we were talking about those earlier today. I love a rutabaga. It's a little bit of a sweet flavor. It's got a kind of a golden yellow color to it. When you get them, you'll see that they've been waxed, and that's just to protect the outside. You certainly want to wash the vegetables, but the waxing, you won't be able to wash that off, but you'll be able to cut it off. So what we've got is we've got all these delicious, gorgeous vegetables here. Beautiful, beautiful color. We're going to toss with a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of kosher salt, and some coarse ground pepper. You want to get those nice and mixed up. You want to have your oven preheated, and all ovens are different. I've worked with a lot of different ovens before. All ovens are different. Yours at home might be less strong than mine. It might be stronger than mine. So you want to know your oven. I suggest roasting at about 400, 425 or so, and you want to watch. I would say something smaller, as I just mentioned a moment ago, something smaller takes less time to cook. These, given this size, will probably go in about 15 minutes or so, but I would say set a timer for 10 minutes and check. What you're looking for are nice little brown edges around the cut sides of the vegetable, and then they'll be done at that point. So we're going to pop these into the oven, and we'll be right back. All right. After about 15-20 minutes, our roasted vegetables are ready, and this is how pretty they are. I absolutely love this color. Anything colorful is always going to be much nicer to eat. Ask any 4-year-old. So now we've got some delicious roasted vegetables here. We're going to platter those. You might remember I tossed them with some fresh rosemary, a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of kosher salt and pepper. Beautiful white platter. What a gorgeous presentation. So there you have it, roasted root vegetables. We've got parsnips, rutabagas, beets, carrots, and turnips, all Virginia grown. Thank you for joining us today. This is Chef Tammy Brawley from Virginia Heart of the Home, and we'll see you next time.
Recipes from the Heart of the Home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com, and visit Chef Tammy Brawley's website at greenkitchenrichmond.com.